Okay, it's April 27th, and these are my new babies. I got them from Judy and Prior Lake. They're very cute. We got 3 girls and a boy. The little orange one is a boy. There he is. Got a little black one. And a cute little gray one. Look at baby. They're just starting to walk a little bit. They're very cute. I've got some milk for them and some kitten food for them, and they're doing just fine. Yeah, aren't you? Yeah, you're doing just fine. There's a little gray one. Oh, look at those little faces. Are you my cute little babies? We're just little. We're maybe an ounce. That's a little gray baby. Look at my little face. Little black baby. Look at my little face. And the little Maya. I look just like a little Maya. Yeah, I do. Just like a little Maya. And the little orange baby. Hi. Very cute.